Plant FAQs. Alluaudia montagnacii. Alluaudia montagnacii, your ultimate FAQ guide. When it comes to unique and intriguing plants, Alluaudia montagnacii is a standout. This unusual plant, native to Madagascar, is a fascinating addition to any collection. Having spent some time with this plant, I've gathered a wealth of information that I think will help anyone looking to grow or learn more about it. What is Alluaudia montagnacii? Alluaudia montagnacii is a distinctive succulent shrub from the Montagnacii family. It's known for its spiny stems and striking appearance, making it a conversation piece in any garden or indoor plant collection. The plant can grow quite tall, reaching up to 10 feet in its natural habitat, though it's usually smaller when grown indoors. How to care for Alluaudia montagnacii. Caring for Alluaudia montagnacii is relatively straightforward if you follow a few key guidelines. Light. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light. A south-facing window or a well-lit room works best. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so be cautious with exposure. Watering. Alluaudia montagnacii prefers a dry environment. Water it sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common problem with succulents. Soil. Use a well-draining soil mix. Cactus or succulent mixes are ideal, as they provide the drainage needed for this plant. Temperature. It prefers warmer temperatures, ideally between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost, as it's not frost-tolerant. Humidity. This plant isn't picky about humidity but thrives in a drier environment, making it suitable for most indoor settings. How to propagate Alluaudia montagnacii. Propagating Alluaudia montagnacii can be a rewarding experience. Here's how I've found success with propagation. Cuttings. Take a cutting of a healthy stem, about 4 to 6 inches long. Allow the cutting to callus over for a few days before planting it in a well-draining soil mix. Water lightly until roots form. Offsets. If your plant produces offsets, baby plants, you can gently separate them from the main plant and pot them in their own containers. What to plant with Alluaudia montagnacii. Alluaudia montagnacii pairs well with other drought-tolerant plants. Consider mixing it with aloe vera. Its thick, fleshy leaves complement the Alluaudia's spiny appearance. Echeveria. The rosette shape of Echeveria creates an interesting contrast with the upright stems of Alluaudia. Sedum. Low-growing sedums can create a lovely ground cover around the base of your Alluaudia montagnacii. Is Alluaudia montagnacii toxic? Alluaudia montagnacii is not known to be toxic to humans or pets. However, it's always wise to keep plants out of reach of small children and pets to avoid any accidental ingestion or irritation. Benefits of Alluaudia montagnacii. Having Alluaudia montagnacii in your collection offers several benefits. Aesthetic appeal. Its unique, spiny appearance makes it a striking focal point in any setting. Low maintenance. Once established, it requires minimal care, making it an excellent choice for busy plant lovers. Conversation starter. Its unusual look often sparks curiosity and conversations with visitors. Common problems with Alluaudia montagnacii. Despite its hardy nature, Alluaudia montagnacii can face a few issues. Root rot. This is the most common problem, usually caused by overwatering. Ensure good drainage and avoid letting the plant sit in water. Pests. Watch for common pests like mealybugs and spider mites, which can occasionally infest succulents. Comparing Alluaudia montagnacii to similar plants. If you're considering other plants similar to Alluaudia montagnacii, here are a few comparisons. Alluaudia procara. This species is similar in appearance, but generally has a more branched structure and can grow even taller. Didaeria madagascariensis. Another member of the Montagnacii family. It has a similar spiny look, but tends to be more shrub-like compared to the tree-like form of Alluaudia montagnacii. In conclusion, Alluaudia montagnacii is a unique and fascinating plant that can make a striking addition to your collection. With the right care and conditions, it thrives beautifully, offering both aesthetic appeal and a touch of the exotic. Whether you're new to succulents or a seasoned collector, this plant is worth considering.